In this video, I'll show you guys how you can zoom in on Kinemaster. So I'll show you step by step how you can do this, and this shouldn't be too hard. Anyone can do this on Android and iOS as well. So to start this off, I actually open up a clip in my timeline, and that's what you want to do as well. So I'm going to put this clip, I'm going to add a zoom in effect on this clip. So for that, all you need to do is basically click on the clip. You'll then find this icon right there, and you want to click on that. Next up, you launch the pan and zoom feature. So basically all you need to do is go to the start position and then position that. So I'll just start just like this, just at like a normal frame, and then click on end position and then zoom in to where you want to end the zoom. So if you don't want to do this to your entire clip, I recommend cutting the clip and then only adding this zoom to that part of the video. But you'll see right now that I'll actually have the zoom effect. If I just slide through, you'll see that it starts zooming in on the clip and it will end up right there. So that's how you can actually zoom in on Kinemaster. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that. Let me know in the comments down below if it works, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.